Are you still troubling about controlling the speed of your sewing machine? Especially for leatherwork beginner, it is really a challenge to control the sewing speed by treadle pedal. The speed controller of Kindyne 750S servo motor is a humanizing innovation for sewing speed control. Kindyne 750S speed controller is an optional device that allows you down the sewing speed very easily. Let's set the motor speed to 2000 RPM. And the low speed to 50 RPM. It is the lowest speed of 750S servo motor. See the actual speed of the sewing machine. Press the speed controller, machine runs at lowest speed. Press the speed controller again, back to the normal sewing speed. Let's set the motor speed to 1000 RPM. And the low speed to 100 RPM. See the actual speed of the sewing machine. Press the speed controller, machine runs at very slow speed. Press the speed controller again, back to the normal sewing speed.